Hey, to remove SIM card and the memory card from your Galaxy M15 5G, all you have to do is just to prepare the SIM tool. Input this SIM tool right here on the SIM slot in the right upper corner. Now press on it. Now grab this SIM slot, and from this I can actually recommend you to start from this part. And as you can see right here, we've got the space to input the SIM tool into the display. Oopsie, let's do this one more time. So we can actually input it here. You have to hold it like this, and you will remove your memory card, and after this you will get this SIM card here, and then you can remove it like this. But also you can just grab it one more time. I'm gonna show you right now what I mean. So when you actually put it like this, it will jump out. So we can also try to do this like this. So there's actually two methods how we can remove this. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.